The following contest is an elimination match. Making his way to the ring from Newark, New Jersey, weighing in at 234 pounds, Aaron.
Matches like these, with talent of this caliber, this is why sports entertainment is an art form. A man who always gets a strong reaction from the WWE Universe, and it will only intensify once the bell rings.
Things are about to get good.
And his opponents, first from Durham, North Carolina, weighing in at 245 pounds, TW.
This is a competitor who isn't happy with a win unless they get a handshake from their opponent afterwards. A real respect for the business.
Can they even work their hands properly? Apparently, they lack a spine. He's in perhaps the best physical condition of his life. He knows what it takes to reach the top here in WWE.
Here we go, guys.
And from Newark, New Jersey, weighing in at 272 pounds, Jimmy Albright.
I can only imagine the tricks up this superstar's sleeve for this match.
This isn't a magic show, Saxton. They don't have tricks. They have a solid game plan, and I can't wait to watch it unfold. A very high-pressure situation ahead for this guy, but he is more than ready for it.
A triple threat match underway with the opening bell.
One more superstar to account for, one more eye to have in the back of your head. Any strategy you might have had going into this match, it's time to throw it out the window.
He kicks out before the count hits two.
He might have been putting the cart before the horse with that pin, but it was worth a try. And a stomp to the gut.
Cuts the attack off. Oh, man.
Oh, there's some gouging going on.
Oh, that's unnecessary. Getting out of harm's way. Locked up in the corner. There was some power behind that punch.
Fires back with a crucial elbow. Clearly hoping something nefarious is beneath the ring.
He's got a kendo stick, a weapon we've seen used to great effect time and time again.
The odds are certainly stacked against you in a triple threat match.
Oh, yeah, and you can't ever forget that. Your best strategy is to do whatever you can to even the odds. Use everything and anything at your disposal.
Into the ring again now. And here we go. Single leg crab. And uncanny.
He's got to relieve the pressure. And escapes.
He thinks he has it.
He's able to kick out before two.
That's still a quick kick out at this point. He gets out of the way.
Pump kick.
Whack. This is turning into Swanson Street. Oh, right to the spine with the knee.
That was vicious.
Oh, that hurt. Into cover. Just gets the shoulder up. Not yet. Ooh, he fends that off.
Getting him right into the corner.
Everything he can do to create space here. Finds the room to land a back elbow. Running Hurricane Rana.
Agility like that, easier said than done, gentlemen.
to their knees. This is going to get worse. He could pin his opponent right here. And he kicks out at 2. Couldn't quite slam the door yet.
Kick to the gut. Pushing their opponent up. And
driven down in the final prayer.
no way you can fully recover after that.
Oh, he was almost finished.
Oh, that was more than close. That was inches away from 3.
Millimeters. How draining was that? Can it be done again? Will this be enough? He kicks out at 2.
How in the world did he kick out? He is determined to fight out of this predicament.
What a counter.
Oh, walloped by a huge club.
I don't know what he's got in mind heading to the floor here.
If you're looking to cause quick, sharp damage, you can't go wrong with the kendo stick.
And there's the cover. Breaks the close count.
That is just pure instinct at this point.
Got them off their feet here. Powerbomb! Kick to the gut. I have a theory what's coming next.
That's it. That's it. Call it. He ain't getting up.
2 count.
It's the end of the line now.
What a battle we are witnessing.
We're at a stage where someone's going to have to shift it into another gear. Oh, rough landing.
Good Lord, what a shot. Someone's got to get control of this thing. Oh, mounting it down. Just hammering away with the rights.
Elbows right to the forehead.
Look at this assault. Oh, he flips that around. Trap the arm. And the neck breaker. Shoulders down. This could be it. He kicks out before the count starts.
What is it gonna take to put him away?
Ooh, vicious kick to the spine.
Watching like a predator with wounded prey. He's as good as done here.
Ooh, he has to be in a world of hurt here.
I mean, at this point, a triple threat, you could be a lot worse off.
And that was a well-executed attack.
Connects on the kick.
Wards that off. What a response.
Chop block without warning. He's eyeing the 3 count here.
Kick it out before the count.
There is no quit in this man tonight.
And he re-enters into the ring.
Skull rattling. Evasive maneuvering there.
Counters to gain the advantage. Hold on a second. Could be a matter of time. Submission being locked in.
Cranking on that neck now.
Expertly executed hold right on the neck. And he just decides to end the hold.
Wonder what he's thinking here. He is locked in, and it has his opponent dead to rights.
Bringing the arm.
Right hand will count.
One answer after another. Neither competitor giving an inch.
Heading to the top now.
First up top.
A diving knee drop.
Oh, this could be it. They could end it right here.
Kicks out.
This is insanity.
Did you expect anything less?
This is just nasty.
Oh, look at this aggression, just pure brutality.
Easy.
Tying up their opponent. Patella brainbuster.
He's headed out to the ringside area. He's rummaging for some sort of equalizer underneath the ring. Under the ropes and back into the ring.
Framing him up. He's got a picture-perfect opportunity here.
Kick to the gut. I have a theory what's coming next.
Absolutely devastating for the win.
There's two, and a kick out. No one saw that coming.
Man, oh man, what resilience.
He's got to be running on instinct alone.
All of that work, all these big moves, and it still didn't earn the fall.
The belly.
The WWE Universe is absolutely on fire right now.
I can barely hear you, Byron. I'm loving this.
Loving blood. Okay, this is just a little bit dirty.
Greco-Roman face rake.
Stay Saito. Hold on a second. He might be finding a submission hold here.
Wow, the power that takes is insane.
He gives in and taps out. Let's take another look at these guys getting after it.
Here is your winner, Albright.
And that was certainly no easy task, surviving against the rest of their competition in this match.
There has to be a great sense of accomplishment after coming out on top.